bright future. Every student matters.
Hello students, we are going to start new chapter visualizing solid shapes. In our day-to-day life, we come across many solid shapes like a ball, a football ball, or we can say a cone, ice cream cone, and ice cubes. These are all solid shapes. In our previous classes also, we have studied about the solid shapes. Now let's try to recall them with the help of an example.
Look at the animation.
The figures such as triangles, rectangles, squares, circles, etc., which have only two dimensions, namely length and breadth, are called plane figures or two-dimensional figures. The figures such as cube, cuboid, cylinder, pyramid, etc., which have three dimensions, namely length, breadth and height, are called solid figures or three-dimensional figures. Types of solid figures. In our daily life, we observe various kinds of solid figures. It is the shape of matchboxes, loaf of bread, a geometry box. It is made of rectangles. A cube is made of square faces. A sugar lump, dice, etc. are examples of a cube. A tube light, tin containers are some examples of a cylinder. Its top and bottom faces are flat and shaped like a circle. The middle is curved. A cone is a solid figure with a circular base which tapers to a point. Ice cream cones, joker's caps are some examples of a cone. A football, marbles, and orange are examples of a sphere. It is a circular solid. A triangular prism is made up of two triangles at each end and three rectangles. A ridge tent is an example of a triangular prism. A triangular pyramid or tetrahedron is a solid which stands on a triangular base. It tapers to a point called the vertex of the pyramid. A rectangular pyramid is a solid which stands on a rectangular base. It also tapers to a point. Its side faces are triangles having a common vertex called the vertex of the pyramid. A square pyramid is a solid which stands on a square base. Its side faces are triangles having a common vertex called the vertex of the pyramid. Note, all the side faces of a pyramid, triangular, rectangular, square, pentagonal, etc., are triangular. A pyramid is named according to the shape of its non-triangular face. If all the faces are triangular, then it is called a triangular pyramid or a tetrahedron. Counting vertices, edges and faces of solids. Face. The flat part of the surface is called a face. Vertex. The corner where three faces meet is called a vertex. Edge. A line where two faces meet is called an edge. Now let's count vertices, edges and faces of these solids. Cube. A cube has 8 vertices. In the figure, the vertices are A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. A cube has 12 edges. In the figure, the edges are AB, BC, CD, AD, EF, FG, GH, HE, BF, AE, CG, and DH. A cube has 6 faces. These are top, bottom, front, back, and 2 side faces. In the figure, the faces are ABCD, EFGH, ABFE, DCGH, BCGF, and ADHE. Cuboid. A cuboid also has 8 vertices, 12 edges, and 6 faces. Cylinder. A cylinder has 3 faces, 1 curved face and 2 flat faces. It has 2 curved edges. It has no vertex. Cone. A cone has 1 vertex, 1 curved edge and 2 faces, 1 curved face and 1 flat face. Sphere. A sphere has 1 curved face. It has no vertex and no edge. Triangular prism. A triangular prism has 6 vertices. The vertices are A, B, C, D, E, and F. A triangular prism has 9 edges. The edges are AB, BC, AC, DE, EF, FD, BD, CF, and AE. A triangular prism has 5 faces, 2 triangular and 3 rectangular. ABC and DEF are triangular faces, and ABDE, BDFC, and AEFC are rectangular faces. Triangular pyramid. A triangular pyramid has 4 vertices. The vertices are O, A, B, and C. It has 6 edges. The edges are AB, BC, AC, OA, OB, and OC. A triangular pyramid has 4 triangular faces. The faces are ABC, OAB, OBC, and OAC. Note: a triangular pyramid is also called a tetrahedron. Tetra means 4 and hedron means face. Square pyramid. A square pyramid has 5 vertices. The vertices are O, A, B, C, and D. A square pyramid has 8 edges. The edges are AB, BC, CD, AD, OA, OB, OC, and OD. It has 5 faces, 4 triangular faces, and 1 square face. ABCD is a square face, and OAB, OBC, OCD, and OAD are the triangular faces. Rectangular pyramid. A rectangular pyramid also has 5 vertices, 8 edges, and 5 faces. Using the adjoining figure, name all the vertices, edges and faces of the rectangular pyramid. Nets. If we join together 6 identical squares edge to edge, we get a cube or the outside surface of the cube. We can avoid a lot of unnecessary sticking if we join some squares together before cutting out. Suppose we want to make a cube out of a cardboard or a piece of paper. We need a pattern giving the shape of the cardboard or the piece of paper to make the cube. This is a shape of the pattern of 6 squares. When this shape is folded along the edge, a cube is formed. A cross plan like this, which can be folded to form a cube, is called the net of the cube. A net of a 3D figure is the shape that can be cut out of a flat piece of paper or cardboard and folded to make the 3D shape. There are another arrangements of 6 squares that can be folded up to make a cube. For example, a cube can also be made from these nets. However, not all arrangements of 6 squares will make cube. It is easy to make a solid shape from a piece of paper or cardboard by first drawing a net of the faces of the solid. The net can be made up of different plane shapes like rectangles, squares or triangles. This is a net of a cuboid of dimensions 5 cm by 3 cm by 2 cm. This is a net for a cylinder without a top and a bottom. The length of the net is equal to the circumference of the cylinder.